guys, welcome back to my channel. Claire here with Destined Creativity. If this is your very first time to come here, I really welcome you. I'm so glad to have you. So I just want to show you how I made these paper flowers. They were really nice. I'm in love with purple, so yeah, just keep watching. I'm starting with the paper templates. We're going to need 5 for this big flower, and so all we need is simple paper, and then we fold it into 2, and then just use a pencil to draw the shape, as you will see in my steps. When making the templates, we begin with the smallest shape, and then we build onto the largest. So this was the smallest petal, but then I realized it was smaller than my original template, so I'll just build onto that. I'll use that smallest later on for the smallest flowers. So this will be my first petal for the big rose flower that I'm making. Now the second step is to make the second template. As you can see, it's the same, but it's a little bit different on the top. It's a bit curvy, so we just build on the first one but make it curvy at the end. So the next template will be a little bigger than our second template, but the bottom is different as well, as you will see here. These are the different shades of purple that I'll be using for the arrangement, and also the cream pepper. The biggest flower will have the lavender, and here I'm just showing you how to fold the different petals after cutting them out using the templates. I'll start with the medium flower, and there are 8 petals for all the 3 sizes, and just follow my simple steps to make the bud, because these steps will apply for all the rest of the flowers. I think the biggest challenge here is to keep it neat and not having the glue all over the place and all over the flowers. So just apply a little glue and just attach for a while before releasing, so you make sure it's all intact. These bud petals, you use 8 of them, and also the next size you use 8 of them. Then the rest can be 6, and it really depends on how big you want your flower. So you can reduce the number or increase it. It really doesn't matter. You move along with the flower and just follow it. The first steps of making the bud are all the same for even the big rose flower. So here I'll concentrate mainly on the outside petals and just follow my simple steps as we go along to build this flower. So you glue starting with the biggest, then the next, then the smallest, you know, all the way to the 3 layers. After gluing all of them down, the next step is basically to add the center bud. And this I did before using the steps you've seen before that I've used. And this is how it blends in so well to make a bigger rose flower. Then for the cream flowers, these are the dimensions, same procedure. I also made the smallest purple flowers using the smallest templates, as you can see, and this is how it looks like. If you want this flower bigger, you can just increase the size of the petals, or you increase the number of the petals depending on what you want or prefer. But this is how it looks like. So the last step is to make the leaves, maybe the branches. So I used normal paper, folded into 2 like I'm making a template, drew the leaf, and then just cut it out using scissors. I made these leaves in purple shade and green shade as well. So this is how I made the arrangement. I added green leaves together with the purple leaves, and it came out so beautifully. For all the other flowers that are not in this tutorial, I already did a video about them, so please check it out in my description box together with a few other DIYs that I made. If you did love this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also let me know in the comments if this worked for you, if the color combination is okay, or if you prefer it in another way. I'll be glad to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.